superstar, it's Sam Keys here again, and I want to quickly show you something about step index. I want to show you some tutorial about step index strategies using trading this asset. Step index is one of the synthetic assets you get from binary, which is now known as derive, right? So I want to see how we could set up our chart and see how we can trade this and know the characteristic of this particular asset. So I'm going to open up the chart. Let's look at it over a 5 minutes time frame, right? Completely zoomed out. What you're seeing on the chart right now, it's my, if you watch the previous video on boom and crash, you notice the same indicators that I have right now. So I'm not going to make use of these indicators. I'm just going to take them off and fix the indicators that I need. So I'm going to delete. Okay, you know what, I will just leave them there. I'm going to add the ones that I need. Now look at this. How do I trade this asset? How do I trade this this step index? Sorry, I gotta put these things down. How do I trade the step index? That's what I want to show you right now. So I post a lot of content, free tutorials, free strategies on my channel, the Freedom Trade House. So if you want to keep abreast of this strategies and my videos, free tutorials, all you need to do is just to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. And also you can join our channel on Telegram, that's the Freedom Trade House. And in case you have a question, you can just send it directly to me on my WhatsApp contact below this video in the description section right now. So let's see, I'm going to put up an indicator. Now all you need to do, or all you need to know when trading this, is just to identify the oversold position and the overbought position. This asset has a lot to do with tops and bottoms, and for you to identify tops and bottoms, you're just looking out for oversold and overbought. So when we talk about oversold and overbought, we're looking at for stochastic. So I'm going to bring in my stochastic indicators. So I have this, I'm going to bring in stochastic oscillator 14. I'm going to add stochastic oscillator 9 and stochastic oscillator 5. So let's do all that now. Add another one, stochastic oscillator, change this to 9, and I'm going to add another one, stochastic oscillator 5. Right, so the strategy is very simple. It's absolutely simple. So if you come with me here, you will get the concept properly. Now you can see that the stochastic is showing me the oversold position is the buy, where you see a buy written here. Then the overbought is where you see the sell. So if you want to get the details, the description of what you have on the stochastic, what I have on the stochastic, you can watch my previous video. And if you want to get more lessons, you can also subscribe. Right, so look at this. We have, let me open it up so you see the levels. I put it at 20 for buy and 80 for sell. That's the same with every one of them. So how do I come in here? How do I identify a position to buy? This is a 1 hour time frame. Now when you see price, can you see this? When all three of them face upwards, when all three face upwards, you also have the CCI at the strong buy zone, right? You come in for a buy. So when price comes down to this point, this 1 hour time frame, you come in for a buy, for a strong buy over a long time frame. I can also look at this on the 15 minutes chart, and you see the same thing. Look at it. The whole of them, the three of them, are just shooting up towards the top zone, right? And you come in at this point. When you come in here, you see the spike down here. You see the spike, right? So you come in there and you're taking the profit. Now let's see the characteristic of this asset. Now before I go there, I need you to understand something. Remember, I told you that the secret of trading is trading with the trend, not against it. That means if it's a downtrend, you're looking for opportunities to sell. Right now we're having a downtrend, so I don't advise anybody to come in here to look for buy opportunities unless you're an expert, you're a pro at that, right? You're good to go. But as a beginner trader, you just want to be patient. You want to be patient so that you know how to rock this market proficiently. So you can see the trend. I'm going to put another trend line right now. There's another trend line here, right? Boom. That's what we're seeing in the market right now. So you want to sell at the top. You want to sell at the top. I'm just picking up these 2 points, right? The average. So you sell at the top, and if you can rock selling at the bottom, you do that and hold your position for a short while, then take profit. And that's the thing, right? So you remember the trend. So how does this step index move? Now, if you're using any lot size, each step is gives you that particular amount. Let's try it out so you see what I'm saying. I'm going to put in a buy 0.01. So the minimum lot you can use here is $1 per pip, right? So let's set it this, and I'm going to put a buy $1 per pip. Right now it's giving me each pipette, right, gives you now it moves in pipettes. Sorry, I just want to put this well. Can you see this? Look very well. You see 7. The digit just after the decimal place, after the decimal point, right? The digit at the right hand side is the pipette position, while the digits before the dot is the pip position. So if it moves from 45 to 55, it has moved 1 pip, right? So how do you truly make money? By every step. If it goes up, now it's going down. Every step gives you 1/10 of your lot size. Every step gives you 1/10 of your lot size. Can you see it now? And that's what's happening. So if you hold this position, I'm looking at for it to reach up to the top right here and return. These assets, they obey the rule of oversold and overbought. You can see the stochastics. You're having the ups and downs and ups and downs. You see it? That's the characteristic of this. It has ups and downs, right? All you need to do is just to identify how and when it is going to go up and how far it's going to go when it's going upwards. So we can see that, and that's it. So primarily we have the market now taking profit. I have my target, my take profit should be around here, should be around this zone or around here, right? So let's see how it's going to be. So primarily this is all you need to know from this strategy, the stochastic. You need to identify it. You can also look out for more tutorials from me on some other strategies that you can use to trade assets in this synthetics, right? Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you on my next videos.